Hello, I want to do a video on the riin software. A lot of people were saying that you can't print in the riin software without a TIFF file. You can't put a PNG file in there and print straight from it. I'm printing with the Tiny Mite Big Boy print. So I'm gonna let you know a couple of tricks with this printer too. It's a great printer. Let's get back to the riin software. Okay. I'm gonna import an image. The biggest thing that I noticed when importing an image, you have to make sure you're not over the width, like your boxes here. You stay inside of this canvas print. So now, if you import a PNG, make sure it's a clean PNG, because I know that this PNG I put in, I got a little pixels on the side of it, just a little bit, so it's gonna print a little white on the side. But go to spot color. Make sure spot color number 1 is checked, and go to empty image base. I got percentage at 0. Symmetrical. You shrink this, how much white you wanted to shrink around the inside of the image. I got it at negative 0.15. Click application. So all you have to do now is hit print. Solution, I got it on this printer resolution. I got it on 720 by 1440, 4C 8 pass. I go down to vertical mirror, or you can go to horizontal to flip it around the other way. Forward output, hit print. Excuse me. Okay, you can save the file as, I'm saving this Betty. It's already, so I hit. So now is setting up the print. What is sending to your folder now. So now I'm gonna go over to Better Print. Now notice in Better Print, if you go to set, if you want the color bar on the side, you can go your color bar right here. I got my color bar on the right side. You can see your gap. I just put it on the right side. You got an option to put it on the left side or both sides. You can print it on both sides. But if you want your color bar on the print, go right here. I got, and then width 5. So now I just go to File, go into my riin folder. That's my Betty here. I click on it. All right, I enable this. Speed, you can go fast, medium, or slow. Now that depends on how the resolution you want on it. I keep mine on medium. You can change your directional or right or left. If you getting a lot of lines in your print, if your print head going bad, you can change it. Just let's print from the left, but mine's be printing from both sides. All right, you can go to pass. You can go 8 pass or 16 pass. That means the quality. If you wanted to print more ink, you go 16 pass, but I'm gonna stay with just 8 pass. All right, so now I'm gonna hit print. So we see it said it exceeded the width. That means I have to go back into the software and make it a little smaller, because it's bigger than the canvas. So just make sure, let me check it again. Because I noticed that too. I have to go into here. Make sure you just, instead of copying it, replacing it, I'm gonna delete it out and go back over here and make it, because it's exceeding out there a little bit. So that's why you probably need to go in Photoshop to clean it up a little bit, so it'll just be in the image here. So I'm gonna make it a little smaller so we're inside the canvas. Do the same thing, hit print, save. We're gonna save it as Betty. All right, you see it's saved in the folder. It's at 100%. So I close that out. I go to File, click on it again, put it on medium, enable this first, then medium, then hit print. So now it's sending it over to the printer. If you notice right here, it's printing your bar there. See there, just print your color bar on this side. You see how it's laying the white over it? And this is a PNG file. People were saying you gotta use a TIFF file, but that's not true. Just make sure you got a clean PNG file. And the color bar, it just helps with your colors. It'll print a little bar on the side to keep the ink flowing. It's printing a little slower. You couldn't, if you didn't want that much white to cover the image, you can make it go faster, just put it on fast. But I just testing the resolution on different settings. That's what I'm doing right now. All right, thank you.